Uh, I got
What happened?
I my computer says I got first one.
You got first for what? On your test?
Yes.
You did?
Yes.
Which test? Which test?
Computer.
Nice. So you were the #1 student.
Oh, yes.
Nice. Very good, man. Congratulations. Very, very nice. Do you have a bunch of other tests to do this week?
No.
Is it the last test?
Maybe.
Maybe. Well, that's nice that you got #1 on that test. That's very good. Your parents must be very proud. Your parents very happy?
Yes.
Excellent. Do you did you have an English test?
Yes.
And you were #1 on that too, right?
Not just yet.
Oh, you didn't get the test back yet. I see. That's okay. Was it hard? Was the test difficult?
I didn't test.
Oh, you didn't take the test
Yes.
yet. Ah, I see. I see. Are you going to take the test before summer break?
Yes.
I see. So you still have other tests to take. Okay. When will you take that test?
Maybe June 23rd or 24th.
Ah, I see, I see. Okay, so you have a little bit of time to do that. Well, I'll tell you what I would like to do today. I'm sure that this is probably, I hope this is harder than your test, but I want to play a game with you today. Then we're going to do some reading practice. But one of the harder things of English is doing the past tense verbs, because some are very difficult, some are very easy, but some are very difficult. So, for example, if I said jump, today I jumped, yesterday I what? Do you understand? So today I jump in the air. It means just jump like that, right? Then yesterday I what?
Yesterday.
What is the past tense of jump?
I don't know.
Jumped. So jump is a regular verb. It's a normal verb. It's just a normal everyday verb. So when we want to make the past tense, we want to do past, we say jumped. We just add ed. Okay? So cook would be cooked. Okay? Punch would be punched. That kind of thing. Okay?
Okay.
All right. There are a few words, quite a few actually, that are not like this. You can't You can't just add ed. So like jump plus ed equals the past, but some of them we can't, like the word read. So I read books. That's present tense. If I want to say something about yesterday or last week or something, I have to say I
is wrote.
Almost. It's read. I read the book. Okay, so the funny thing about this though, watch this. Boom. I read books. I read the books. You can say I read books too. Either one is fine. So the second two, if they're in the past, the word read, R-E-A-D, the spelling doesn't change, but how we write it doesn't change, okay? But how we say it does. So for example, today I read, these days I read many books, okay? Last year I read many books. You see, in the sentences, there's no difference in the way that we write the word R-E-A-D, just how we say it. So I read many books. That's strange. That's not a normal verb, right? So we're going to do a little activity with those, and we're going to learn a few of them, okay?
Okay.
So let me pull up the game here 1 second. All right, here we go. Let me pull it up and then I'll share my file with you here. All right. Are you ready? I think this is one of the more difficult things. That's why we're going to do it. So, all right. So in this case, it says Sam blank a camel during his last holiday in Egypt. Holiday is like vacation. Can you guess a letter?
Right.
No. Well, that's a good one. But just you can just guess a letter. Say a letter. You said ride. Nope. The past tense of ride is going to be rode. R-O-A-D. So that's one we'll teach you in a minute. R-O-A-D. Got it. Next one. If you don't want to guess the whole word, you can just guess a letter. You can just say S or Q or something.
C.
C. No. Your best bet is to guess a vowel. A-E-I-O or U. A-E-I-O or U. I hit one for you. I'll show you this one so you know. All right. So you were very close before. You said ride, but this is the past tense. So the past tense, this is last holiday in Egypt. That means it didn't have. It's not happening now. It happened before. Okay. So that's road. Okay, road. It's all right. We're gonna study these together later, so we'll write them down. All right. Next one. Dan blank a newspaper on his way to work this morning. What do you think? What do you do with the newspaper?
Red.
Red. R. How do you spell read or red?
READ.
Nice. Very good. Now you got it. Good. Ted blank. I'm sorry. I blanked Ted at the park yesterday. This is a tough one.
I.
Try guessing a letter. Excuse me.
S.
S? No. Oh, it is S. I thought it was going to be Met. M-E-T. M-E-T. But it's not. It's something with an S. Can you guess another letter? Guess a vowel. A, E, I, O, or U. Quickly, you only have 45 seconds. E. Nope. Guess another vowel. Guess another vowel. 30 seconds.
O.
Nope. Guess another vowel. 20 seconds.
A.
Yes. What is it? Yes, quick. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Guess what?
T.
Oh, well, we're out of time.
What is that?
Saw.
S-A-W.
S-A-W. Hang on one second. S-A-W. Yeah. Saw. Hold on one second. Saw is the past tense of see. So that means he was at the park and he saw Ted at the park. Okay? All right, let's try another one here. I blanked my dog along the beach last summer.
I.
I? Oops, sorry. I? Yes. Some vowels.
I.
I did already. I finished.
E.
E? No.
O.
O. Okay. O. I don't know this one actually.
So hard.
Yeah, so hard. Just try guessing a couple more letters. Try guessing something like
F.
F? No.
Oh.
Maybe. Aha. I'll give you one. There's a T.
T. L.
L? No, but there's a letter that sounds like L. What letter sounds like L when you read it?
L. R.
R. Very good. This is a hard word. I'm going to give you a big hint, okay? BRO space HT blank blank AT. What would that be? What would that be?
Too hard.
Yeah, I know. I'll give you a hint. There's one more vowel. One more vowel. One more vowel. A. Nope.
Oh.
It's all right. Don't worry. There's one more vowel, so it has to be
U.
A, E, I, O, or U. Yep. Okay. This word is the past tense of bring. Bring. And the word is, are you ready? Brought. Brought. Brought, yeah. So that's a tough word. Okay? Let's go ahead and I want to give you those words we just learned. And I want to type them in here for you so that you can write them down. Do you have a pencil?
Yes.
Okay. Read. And the past tense is?
Red.
Red. Yep. It sounds like the color red. Okay. Read in red. Meet. And past tense is met. Met. I meet my friends every day at school. I met my cousin at the park yesterday. See, and the past tense is saw. I see my friends at school every day. I saw my cousin at the park yesterday. And bring. The next one is brought. The teacher told me to bring my lunch to school. Yesterday, I brought my lunch to school. So do you understand what I mean when I say the past tense?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right. So.
Okay.
Okay. So those are a little bit difficult, but they're important because in English there are many verbs that are not normal like that. Okay. So we'll have to practice them little by little, but I think it's okay. You'll be okay with it, so not a problem. All right, let me see here. Which one we're gonna do? I'm gonna do tongue stories. All right. So today we're going to read a new story. Before that, I'd like to ask you a couple questions. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right. So this last weekend, Saturday and Sunday, what did you do?
I played computer at home.
You played what on the computer?
Computer games.
Okay, so you played computer games this weekend at home. Okay. Did you do that both Friday and Saturday? Did you do it both days?
No.
No? Which day did you play? Which day did you play computer games?
Saturday.
Saturday. Okay. So what did you do on Sunday?
Sunday. I mm, go to um, go to see someone married.
Oh, you went to a wedding. Ah, you went to a wedding. I went to a wedding. I see. And go, when we say it in the past tense, is went. That's another irregular one. Go, went, ride, rode, like that. I see. Did you eat a lot of food?
Yes.
Was it good?
Yes.
Nice. Very cool. All right. And the last question. How long was the wedding?
2 hours.
2 hours. And then did you eat? That includes the time that you ate?
Yes.
Ah, I see. That's pretty good. That's pretty short. Some weddings are very, very long. In India, weddings, they take 3 or 4 days. Every day the people come together and they have some party or celebration for 4 days in India, 3 or 4 days. It's a very, very long time. All right, let's go ahead and try some reading then. Very, very nicely done. All right. Today we're going to read a story called Telling Stories. And I think when you hear a story, it's always quite fun. When you see this lady here, she has a kind of thing on her head. All right, we call it a wrap. Okay, she has some really interesting shirt. Where do you think she's from? I think she must be from Taiwan, maybe.
Um,
Do you think so?
no.
Where do you think she's from?
I think she's from India.
India? Maybe, maybe. She probably is from, I think she might be from Africa. Africa, maybe. We'll see. All right, it'll tell us later. All right, this one here is called The Giant Carrot. All right, we're going to read from this part right here all the way down here. And I want you to try to read it in one shot, okay? But first, let me give you some new vocabulary, okay? First one is called this word. Can you try to read that word?
Gasp.
Gasp. Gasp. Gasp. Okay? Sometimes when you're scared, you gasp. All right, how about this one?
Attached.
Yes, very nice. Very, very nice. Attached. Attached. That means to put something on something else. Like I'm going to attach this piece of plastic to my phone. Bing. See? I attached it. Actually, I didn't attach it. Okay. Can you try this one here? Frantically.
Frantically.
Yeah, frantically means to do something in a very scared or hurried manner. So you do something like very fast, like go, 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 frantically clean his room. He cleans his room very much. Let me see if I can get that Chinese for you on that one, because that one is a little bit hard. All right, there you go. Hopefully you can read this Chinese. I don't know. Do you know?
Yes.
Okay, that's what frantically means. Frantically. All right, couple more. Swung, swung. You say that?
Swung.
Swung. This is another one that is a past tense, irregular past tense verb. Okay. Yeah, swung, swung. Oh, when you open the door, if you open it quickly, you swing the door open. Swing, swung. You'll get it. Next one.
Breathe.
Breathe. And the last one.
Delicious.
Delicious. The food at the wedding was delicious, said Elvis. All right. So let's look at this story about the giant carrot, okay? All right. First, I want you to read this first paragraph, and we'll go through it together, okay? Please go ahead.
The farmer Smith plant carrot seeds. The next morning, he looked outside and gasped. He took a gulp of air because he was so surprised. A giant leaf was growing in the garden. He knew what would be attached. Giant leaves are joined to giant carrots.
Okay. One day, Farmer Smith planted carrot seeds. You understand that sentence? He took the seeds, and he put them in the ground. Okay?
Okay.
He put the seeds in the ground. And the next morning, he looked outside. He looked out the window or the door, and he gasped. He took a big gulp of air. A gulp is when you swallow. That's a gulp. If you take a big drink of something, that's a gulp. Okay?
Okay.
Gulp of air, because he was so surprised. A giant leaf was growing in the garden. He knew what would be attached. Giant leaves are joined to giant carrots. Woo! Look at the carrot. Holy cow, look at the carrot. It's a big, big carrot. All right. So these leaves, see how they're attached to the carrot? All right. Farmer Smith. Go ahead and give it a read, bud.
Farmer Smith ran outside frantically. He was very, very excited. He jumped up and grabbed the leaf. It was so high, he swung from it. His body waved from side to side. Once his feet were back on the ground, he pulled on the leaf. The giant carrot would not come out.
Okay, let's stop right there. So he ran outside frantically, like crazy, like this. And he was very, very excited. He jumped up into the air. Let's see what this is. He grabbed the leaf. And when he grabbed it, he started to swing like this. It was way in the air. And he pulled the leaf, but he couldn't get the leaf to, he couldn't get the carrot to come out of the ground. Okay? Couldn't. So, what is he going to do? I don't know. Let's try this one. First,
he called to his family for help. The family fought, but the carrot was too big. Then he asked his neighbors to help. They pulled so hard that they had to stop to breathe.
They were pulling so hard they had to stop there. Like that. They had to stop to breathe, okay? Go ahead.
It was hard for them to get enough air. Finally, he called to the dog and cow for help. They all pulled, and at last the carrot popped out.
Mm-hmm.
The Smith family fed the whole town with the delicious carrots. Everyone said it was the best tasting carrot they had ever eaten.
Yeah, they'd ever eaten. They'd ever, yeah. So they finally got everybody together. All of his wife and all of the neighbors, the cow, the dog, everybody pulled him. Finally, pop, he popped out. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. Here's what I want you to do now. I want to look at each paragraph. This is a paragraph. And I want you to find the words that are verbs, okay? So let's find the verbs that are in each paragraph. Now, a verb is something that shows action. So actually, it's action or state of being. But today, we're just concerned with action words, words that make when you have to do with your body, okay?
Okay.
So in the first sentence, it says, one day Farmer Smith planted carrot seeds. What's the verb in that sentence?
Planted.
Planted, my friend. Very good. Planted. And you'll notice the word planted as ed. That's because it's in the past. It's in the past, yes? Okay, how about the next sentence? The next morning he looked outside and gasped. What words are the?
Looked and gasped.
Easy, huh? Yep, very good. So planted, gasped, and looked, they're all regular. You just add ed. How about the next one? He took a gulp of air because he was so surprised.
Took.
There we go. Okay. Yep, took is the only action verb. We have another verb over here, but that's not an action verb. It's a be verb. Okay? Very good. The next sentence says, a giant leaf was growing in the garden. All right. We have a was growing. Those are past tense verbs, right? But, I'm sorry, those are verbs, but they're not past tense. So we're not going to worry about them today. The next sentence, he knew that he knew what would be attached. What's the past tense verb here?
New.
New, yeah.
And
new is
attached.
Attached and new. Very good. Now new is irregular, so I'm going to write that down, and I'm going to underline that with red, and attached is regular, so I'm going to underline that with purple. Okay. The next sentence.
New is no.
New is no. Very good. Thank you. Yes. Excellent job. New is no. I know you. I knew you. Yep. Very nice. Next ones, we don't have any irregular verbs there, any past tense verbs there. So we're just going to skip that next one, and we're going to move on. Okay. to the next page. What are the verbs in the sentence? Farmer Smith ran outside frantically.
Red.
Ran. Is that past tense or?
Run.
I'm sorry. Is that regular or irregular? Normal or not normal?
Not normal.
Not normal. You're right. Yeah. If it was normal, it would not be. It wouldn't change. You just add ed. Yeah. What's the verb for ran? What's the regular, the present tense verb?
Frantically.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. You said before. You said knew was for no, so ran is for
Run.
run. Very good. Frantically is a different type of a word. Okay. He was very, very excited. There's no past tense verbs in that. So let's read the next one. He jumped up and grabbed the leaf. What are my verbs?
Jumped and grab.
Jumped and grab, and those are regular because we just add ed, right?
Yes.
Okay. It was so high, he swung from it. What are my verbs here? My past tense verbs. Verb.
Swan.
Swung. Is it regular or irregular? Is it normal or not normal?
Not normal.
Not normal, because it's, what's the regular version of swung? Knew, no, ran, run, swing, swung. Right?
Yes.
All right, very good. Next line, his body waved from side to side. And the next one after that too. Once his feet were back on the ground, he pulled on the leaf. Okay? The giant carrot would not come out. In those three sentences, we have some past tense verbs. Can you tell me what they are and if they're normal or not normal?
Pull.
Pulled. Is it normal or not normal?
Normal.
Yeah, it's just a regular verb, right? Because we have ed there. There's one more. His body waved from side to side. Once his feet were back on the ground, he pulled on the leaf. The giant carrot would not come out.
With.
No, with is going to be a different type of word. You can always look for ed at the end. Ed at the end. Waved. Wave. His body waved from side to side. Waved is a regular or a normal past tense verb too. Okay, whoops. I just drew on the tree. All right, buddy. Next one. Let me do these. There we go. All right. Let's see if we can find some in here. Any verbs that you can see in the first sentence. His family called, first he called his family for help.
Call.
Called, yeah, that's a regular one too, isn't it? Okay, the family pulled, but the carrot was too big.
Pull.
Pulled, again, a regular one. Then he asked his neighbors for help. Neighbors to help, excuse me.
Ask.
Ask, that's a regular one too. Again, we have pulled, right? They pulled so hard that they had to stop to breathe. That's a regular one. It was hard for them to get enough air. Finally, he called to the dog and the cow for help. It is called regular or irregular?
Regular.
Yeah, it's totally regular. It says ed right there. They all pulled. We saw pull again. And at last the carrot popped out. Is popped a verb? Popped.
No.
No. Yeah, it's actually a verb. We have two words that we use for two things that we use pop for. One is the sound. Oh, I heard a pop. And popped out. Like that. And that's a regular one too. I have one question for you though. This word right here. The Smith family fed the whole town with a delicious carrot. Everyone said it was the best tasting carrot they had ever eaten. Fed and said. Those two words are irregular past tense verbs. Okay? What is the regular form of fed? F-E-D. What's the regular form? So ran, run, knew, know, fed.
Feed.
Feed. Very good. How about for said?
Say.
Said, say, said. Yep, exactly. Very nice. I know those are a little bit hard, but you did very well on them. I'll try to introduce some more to you later, but next time we're going to read the story Head, Body, Legs. Head, Body, Legs, and this is a story from Africa. A story from Africa. And we'll read that next time we have class. Right now, buddy, we're out of time, so I'm going to have to say goodbye. But you did a great job today. So very good job. Okay?
Okay.
All right. I will see you later. Have a good week, and I'll see you next week, okay?
Okay.
All right. Goodbye.
Goodbye.